Top 7 juices to support a kidney cleanse. Over 850 million people worldwide suffer from kidney disease, making it a global health crisis. Could the juice in your fridge be the key to healthier kidneys? In this video, we'll uncover the top 7 juices to support a kidney cleanse. These juices not only cleanse your kidneys, but also boost their function and help prevent kidney disease. Each juice is packed with nutrients that offer significant health benefits. Before we dive in, please help us spread this life-saving message by hitting the like button. Your support can help others become aware of these important symptoms. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Kidneys Detox and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our new videos packed with health tips and valuable information. Stay tuned till the end because we've compiled 3 invaluable gifts that will help you combat kidney disease without heavy medication. Let's get started. Number 7. Cranberry Juice. Cranberry juice is renowned for its ability to support urinary tract health, which directly benefits your kidneys. This juice is rich in proanthocyanidins, compounds that prevent bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract lining, significantly reducing the risk of urinary tract infections. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that cranberry juice can lower the recurrence of UTIs by nearly 40%. The antioxidants in cranberry juice also combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys, promoting overall kidney health. Regular consumption helps prevent kidney stones by diluting the urine and preventing the formation of calcium crystals. Additionally, cranberry juice is a hydrating drink that aids in maintaining optimal kidney function. For maximum benefits, opt for unsweetened cranberry juice to avoid unnecessary sugars. Freshly squeezed cranberries are an excellent choice, ensuring you get all the natural nutrients. Drinking plenty of water along with cranberry juice is essential to enhance hydration and support kidney health. Up next, we'll reveal how a vibrant juice can transform your kidney health. Number 6. Beetroot Juice. Beetroot juice is a powerful ally for kidney health. It's rich in nitrates, which convert to nitric oxide in the body, helping to relax and dilate blood vessels. This process can lower blood pressure and enhance kidney function. Additionally, beetroot juice is loaded with antioxidants like betalains, which reduce inflammation and protect your kidneys from oxidative stress. These antioxidants also boost liver function, aiding in toxin removal, which further supports kidney health. Incorporating beetroot juice into your diet can significantly improve blood pressure management and kidney function. Just be aware that consuming beetroot juice can cause a harmless reddish tint to your urine and stools. For the best results, try blending beetroot juice with other fruits or vegetables for a nutritious and tasty drink. And now, we'll unveil another juice that could help dissolve kidney stones naturally. Number 5. Lemon Juice. Lemon juice is a zesty and refreshing drink that's excellent for your kidneys. Rich in citric acid, lemon juice helps prevent kidney stones by binding with calcium in your urine, reducing the risk of crystal formation. This natural process can effectively inhibit the growth of kidney stones, making it a valuable addition to your diet. Beyond stone prevention, lemon juice promotes urinary tract health by increasing urine output and balancing its pH level. This aids in more efficient waste elimination and prevents the buildup of harmful toxins in the kidneys and urinary tract. Incorporating lemon juice into your daily routine is simple and beneficial. Mix it with water for a refreshing drink, or use it as a salad dressing. Just be mindful not to overconsume, as excessive lemon juice can erode tooth enamel and cause stomach discomfort. Always drink water after consuming lemon juice to mitigate these effects. Coming up next, discover a juice that not only detoxifies your kidneys, but also improves blood circulation. Number 4. Ginger Turmeric Juice. Ginger and turmeric are powerful allies for kidney health. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to protect against oxidative stress make it essential. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, also fights inflammation and acts as a strong antioxidant. To make a ginger turmeric juice, blend fresh ginger and turmeric roots with water or your favorite fruit juice. Adding a pinch of black pepper enhances curcumin absorption, maximizing the health benefits. This juice not only reduces inflammation, but also boosts kidney function and resilience. Regular consumption of ginger turmeric juice can lead to improved detoxification and better overall kidney health. It's a tasty and effective way to support your kidneys naturally. As we delve into the world of beneficial juices, it's crucial to address some surprising misconceptions that could impact your health. One lesser-known myth is the belief that drinking excessive amounts of water can never be harmful. While staying hydrated is vital, overhydration can lead to a condition called hyponatremia, where the sodium levels in your blood become dangerously low. This can cause severe health issues, including kidney strain, swelling of the brain, and even seizures. Furthermore, it's a common misconception that all hydration methods are equally effective. However, not all liquids are created equal when it comes to hydration and kidney health. For instance, certain electrolyte-enhanced beverages can provide better hydration and support kidney function more effectively than plain water alone. It's essential to understand these nuances and make informed choices about your hydration habits. Stay tuned, because up next, we'll reveal a juice that not only supports kidney health, but also offers an unexpected bonus for your overall wellness. Number 3, apple cider vinegar drink. Apple cider vinegar has gained significant popularity for its impressive health benefits, particularly for kidney health. This potent vinegar can prevent kidney stones by making urine less acidic and reducing the mineral buildup that leads to stone formation. Apple cider vinegar is also excellent for detoxifying the body, including the kidneys, and it can help lower blood pressure, which is crucial for maintaining optimal kidney function. To incorporate apple cider vinegar into your routine, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar into a glass of water. This ensures you receive all its benefits. Start with a small amount and gradually increase as you get accustomed to its taste and effects. Remember, moderation is key, as too much apple cider vinegar can erode tooth enamel and upset your stomach due to its high acidity. Always rinse your mouth with water after drinking apple cider vinegar to protect your teeth. Maintaining kidney health can be as simple as including apple cider vinegar in your diet, but balance is essential. Hydration and nutrients are vital for your kidneys, and our next juice combines both in a delicious way that also supports overall well-being. Number 2, watermelon juice. Watermelon juice is not only refreshing, but also incredibly beneficial for your kidneys. Its high water content helps keep you hydrated, which is essential for flushing out toxins and maintaining optimal kidney function. Additionally, watermelon is rich in potassium, an important mineral that supports healthy kidney activity. This juicy fruit is also packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant known for combating oxidative stress and reducing inflammation in the kidneys. Additionally, lycopene can significantly lower the risk of kidney problems and related complications. Incorporating watermelon juice into your routine is simple and tasty. Blend fresh watermelon pieces with water or combine them with other fruits for a delicious and nutrient-rich drink. This juice not only quenches your thirst, but also supports kidney health through hydration and essential nutrients. Before we reveal the number 1 juice for kidney cleansing, we have some exciting gifts for you to enhance your kidney health journey. First up, we have our exclusive ebook, 13 Superfoods That Detox and Cleanse Your Kidneys, Naturally. This isn't just a list, it's a collection of delicious and beneficial foods that can help you combat kidney disease naturally. Then, for those who love cooking, we're excited to present a special recipe book filled with snacks, meals, and desserts designed to lower creatinine levels and enhance kidney function. These recipes are both tasty and tailored to support your kidney health. Finally, you'll gain access to a groundbreaking video, The Real Root Cause of Kidney Disease and How to Eliminate It Forever. In this video, a renowned kidney health expert reveals a simple 5-minute daily routine to effectively combat kidney disease. This is invaluable knowledge you don't want to miss. To claim these incredible 3 free gifts, just click on the link in the description below. Now, let's get back to our countdown and reveal the number 1 juice that stands as a pillar in the top 7 juices to support a kidney cleanse. Number 1, green juice. Green juice is a powerhouse beverage that's incredibly beneficial for your kidneys and overall health. Typically made from a blend of green vegetables like spinach, kale, and other nutrient-dense greens, it offers a concentrated dose of essential vitamins and minerals. The high content of antioxidants in green juice plays a crucial role in combating oxidative stress, which can lead to kidney damage due to free radicals. In a study published in the Journal of Renal Nutrition, individuals who regularly consumed green leafy vegetables experienced a significant decrease in markers of kidney inflammation. By integrating green juice into your daily routine, you're supplying your body with the nutrients it needs to enhance kidney function and overall health. To make your green juice even more beneficial and palatable, consider adding ingredients like cucumber, celery, parsley, or lemon. These additions not only improve the taste, but also contribute their unique health benefits. For instance, cucumbers and celery are excellent for hydration and detoxification, while parsley and lemon are known for their diuretic properties, which help flush out toxins from the kidneys. While green juice is an excellent addition to a kidney-friendly diet, it's important to consume it as part of a balanced nutritional plan. Variety in your diet ensures that you're getting a comprehensive range of nutrients necessary for optimal health. So there you have it. Top 7 juices to support a kidney cleanse, from refreshing cranberry juice to invigorating green juice. Incorporating these juices into your diet can provide significant health benefits by enhancing kidney function and preventing disease. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these kidney cleansing juices before? Are there any other juices you recommend for kidney health? Sharing your experiences in the comments below could offer valuable insights and encouragement to others on their kidney health journey. If this video has provided valuable insights or reinforced your health strategies, please show your support by hitting the like button, subscribing to Kidneys Detox, and clicking the bell icon to ensure you never miss our new videos packed with crucial health tips. The Super Thanks feature is also a great way to help us continue providing valuable health insights. Your contribution makes a difference in spreading life-saving information. Before you go, remember to check out the 3 exclusive free gifts linked in the description below. They're filled with actionable tips and delicious recipes to support your kidney health journey. Remember, your health is in your hands. Thank you for watching. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and here's to a healthier, happier you.